everyone, it's Darlene here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So today I'm going to be reviewing these hair removal products that I got sent to me. They are actually sold on Amazon, and I will link where you can buy all these down in the description box down below. So I got a few different ones. I got a 8-minute hair removal. It says 8 minutes hair off. So it removes hair in up to 8 minutes, and it is by the brand Pansley. I think that's how you say that. Pansley. And then I have a Pansley Hair Growth Inhibitor Moisturizing Cream. And then I have Hair Growth Inhibitor for Man and Woman Reduce Hair Pigment Hair Removal. So this is all by the same brand. I have not tried this out. I was wanting to try it out with you, but I had just recently got sent that waxing machine, so I haven't had no hair to remove. So I had to wait for my hair to grow back to be able to review this, but I've had it for like 2 weeks now. So yes, now I'm finally gonna get to share it with you guys. I should have already opened this. Okay, I want to start off with the hair removal because I think that's like step one. Let's go ahead and open this and see what it looks like together. So this is what it looks like. And I believe everything retails for under $20. I'm not mistaken. Okay, so I think this is step one. It removes the hair, and then you apply that. And this one, I believe that's just the moisturizer, and then you would apply that. So it comes, you do have to buy all these products separately. I did not find a deal to where you can actually purchase them is like a set. I just got the set sent to me, but I do believe you have to purchase everything separately. So I'm going to show you my armpits. I get so grossed out by armpits. I don't know why. So I hate that I have to do this on my armpits, but my legs are still bald because I waxed those, and I had epilated my armpits so before I had waxed. So I have hairs, like a little bit of hair, but we'll do this together. Okay, I'm going to move this closer. Okay. So as you can see, my armpits are hairy and it's disgusting. My husband's been so grossed out because I usually am always like, as soon as I start growing hair, it's gone. But for this video purpose, I let it grow out a little longer than I normally would. Okay, I want to see how to use this. Okay, it says it's suitable for armpits, arms, legs, and bikini areas. Okay, so step number one says shake well before using the product. Make sure to fully cover the desired area. Step two, wait for 8 to 10 minutes until the hair curls up. You can use a towel tissue removal tool to remove your hair. If the body hair does not fall off, stay a few more minutes or spray again. Never use it for more than 18 minutes. Step number three, gently wipe the hair with a towel thoroughly with clean water. For a better result, use Pansley Hair Growth Inhibitor Spray. Okay, so I need to go get a towel. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna have to be like sitting right here for like 10 minutes. It's gonna be fun. So I am going to clip my hair back because I would hate for this to get in my hair and just totally like just take off my hair. So I'm just gonna clip it back. I do recommend doing that. And then it says shake well. So shake vigorously. I think that's how you say that. Vigorously. Yeah, shake vigorously. Okay. Now that we shook it, I'm going to apply it. I have a mirror right here so that I can kind of see. This is so bad. Okay. Okay. That looks disgusting. It smells like a perm. Like when you, have you ever smelled salons when someone's getting a perm? Oh, I got it on my shirt a little bit. Okay, So I'm trying to keep it off my shirt. Okay, now I'm gonna spray this side. Okay, and now I'm going to wait 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes, I'll be right back to see if it removes the hair. Okay, so, trying to keep it down. It's been 8 minutes, and I don't see the hair like curling like it said it would. So I'm going to wait 2 more minutes, because it said 8 to 10 minutes, and we'll see if it wipes off. And if it does, then we're good. But if it doesn't, I mean, this stuff's like pretty thick, because it doesn't, like, that thing's been dripping for 8 minutes and it never really got on my clothes yet. So that's good to know. It's just really hard to stay like this for 8 minutes. So yeah. So that's like the only downside, but if it works, it's a lot less painful than epilating or waxing, which would be nice. I don't know if it lasts as long. I know when I lived in Portugal, people used to get figs there and rub figs all over their legs, let it set, and they said that it removed the hair. I had tried it when I was there and it did not work on me. Sorry, trying to make my hair look a little cuter. But yes, like, it's crazy that it works on some people but not on others. Because my neighbors and stuff swore by it, but like I said, it didn't work on me. Has anybody else had luck doing that? Like, is that something that you've ever heard of? I've never heard of it until I lived there, and people there would do that, because people there are really poor, and so they try to find natural ways to do things. But okay, it has been 10 minutes now. Okay, so I got me a wet rag, and we're gonna wipe. Ooh, yes, it did work. It's literally wiping off. It literally wiped all that hair off. Do you see the difference? That's just amazing. So look at the difference. That's the one that still has the hair. That's the one where it is gone. So this stuff really does work. Oh my goodness, that is so exciting. I mean, you can see how long the hairs are. It's kind of crazy. Okay, and again, look. I wish I had a white one, so that you can actually see the hair coming off. It looks so good. Okay, as you can see, every hair is now off. That is so cool. Okay, so it says step 2, we are supposed to use the drops. Says, it doesn't say how to, I guess you use your hands. It says apply Pansley Hair Growth Inhibitor Essence. Continue applying Pansley Hair Growth Inhibitor Essence once a day. Repeat steps 2 and 3 every day. So after you do step 1, you're supposed to put this in this every day. And I guess it just helps the hair not to grow back. That is so cool. Okay, so I'm going to take a little, it's like a dropper. I'm going to put a drop. I'm going to rub it in, and 1 drop is definitely enough. Like, really did a good job. Okay, now let's do the other side. 1 drop and rub it in. So weird, I'm not used to touching my armpits. Okay, so that's 2 drops, 1 drop on each side. And then this is the cream. So I'm just gonna pump 1 drop onto my hand and then rub that in. This doesn't really have a smell. This is like unscented. These feel so smooth. And I'm gonna do the same thing. 1 pump. It's like a really pretty bluish gray color. Just rub it in. That looks so good. See, it really does work. Totally worth the money. I think everything, I think it's like around $30 for the whole set. But this thing is like, this will last you probably months. So if you're looking for something that works and that's super cheap, especially for what it does, I would highly, highly recommend this brand. This is so awesome. Okay, let me go ahead, put down my hair. So all I can say about these products is wow, 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 wow. Like, it is so amazing. Like, so I was reading the box to this and it says that it, like for the sermon stuff, it says that it is hair growth inhibitor for man and woman, reduce permanent hair removal. So if you continue to use these products, you will eventually permanently remove your hair. How awesome would that be? I mean, it's a lot cheaper than laser hair removal, which I've tried laser hair removal, and it did, like, it works, like the hair falls off and everything, but it does grow back. And they said you have to do so many sessions, but I've done, like, I have some devices that I actually use at home on top of getting it professionally done, and I still have hair that grows back. My hair grows more thinly back, but it does grow back. So I will keep you guys updated the more I use this, how it works. I'm gonna be using it on my armpits only, just because I have like more products coming that are hair removal. I have more hair removal products coming and I want to see how they work. So I do want to continue to grow hair like on my legs so that I can keep you guys updated of what really works. But yeah, that is so exciting. Like, highly, highly, highly recommend these. Like, this is amazing. This is just so cool. It's a really cool product. And I'm so happy that they actually sent it to me because it really works. And I do not get paid. I'm not sponsored. I do not get paid to record these videos. They send it and then I just express my honest opinion. So this is my honest opinion. You guys seen for yourself that it really does work. But yes, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. If you guys like this video, please let me know down in the comment section and down below. And like I said, I will put the links to everything where you can purchase this. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye, God bless.